In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put the degree symbol in PowerPoint. If you've ever needed to add this little symbol to your presentations, perhaps for temperature values or for various mathematical equations, this guide is for you. We'll go through each step in a way that's easy to follow, ensuring you can effortlessly integrate the degree symbol into your text whenever you need to. First, let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have it installed and ready to go, as we'll be diving straight into the presentation itself. Sometimes people get caught up in finding the right program, but relax, it's all about taking it one step at a time. Once you've navigated to PowerPoint, go ahead and open the specific presentation where you need to insert the degree symbol. Now that your presentation is open, navigate to the specific slide and text area where you want to place the degree symbol. Click on the text box to activate it. This is important because if the text box isn't active, you won't be able to insert anything into it. Ensure your cursor is blinking at the precise spot where the degree sign needs to appear, whether that's after a number expressing temperature or perhaps next to a measurement unit. The next step is where the magic happens. Using your keyboard, you're going to press the Alt key and the numeric keypad simultaneously to create the degree symbol. What you need to do is press and hold the Alt key, and then while you're still holding it down, type 0176 on the numeric keypad. If you're using a laptop without a dedicated numeric keypad, this may require using the function key to access the number pad embedded within some keys usually found on the right side of the keyboard. Once you've entered 076, release the Alt key, and voila! You should see the degree symbol appear in your text box. If you're having trouble getting this to work, ensure that your keyboard's numlock is activated. This is crucial because without it, the numeric keys may not function correctly. Another common hiccup could be if you're not holding the Alt key while typing the numbers, or if you accidentally let go of it too soon before finishing the sequence. And there you have it. The degree symbol now sits snugly within your text. This method is a great tool to keep in your back pocket, especially for professionals who frequently work with data or scientific figures in presentations. It's quick, straightforward, and once you get the hang of it, incredibly convenient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your PowerPoint editing just a little smoother.